my favourite soups. It's called pea and coriander soup, and this soup is literally made in minutes. It's really, really quick. So start off by add the butter and add in the onions, and then I'm going to add a little chilli and some chopped garlic. A little sprinkling of salt, freshly cracked pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it with a little lid of greaseproof paper, and that'll create a kind of steamy atmosphere so that it'll sweat gently in there. I'll put the lid on the saucepan at the moment for that. In the meantime then, make sure that you heat up some stock. This is some lovely chicken stock, but of course if you wanted the soup to be vegetarian, you could add some vegetable stock as well. So now let's check the onions. You want to make sure that they are really nicely sweated. You see, they look nice and soft like that. I'm going to add in the peas and the boiling stock. So this is lovely chicken stock, so add that in. Then we'll turn the heat right up again, bring it to the boil. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a little pinch of sugar as well, because the sugar will enhance the sweetness of the peas, just a little. Now in the meantime then, I'm going to take a little coriander here, or I want about 2 tablespoons in total. There we are, so that's my fresh coriander. You can let it cool a little bit if you want to, but otherwise you can take it pretty much straight from the saucepan into the liquidizer. Add in the fresh coriander. Make sure that it's really properly attached. Put the lid on and then lift out the center to let the air escape, and then just turn it on just slowly at first. There we go, into the saucepan. Oh, look how lovely that is. Just taste it and correct the seasoning. If you need a little more salt or something in it, just add it in. Now you could, of course, put it aside for the moment and reheat it later if you want to. Oh, it's speckled with the coriander there. So a few little coriander leaves on top, and if you like, you could put a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. This soup is one you can make all year round if you're using frozen peas, but it's even extra special if you make it during the fresh pea season. Actually, now that I think of it, wouldn't it be lovely to put a couple of the little pea flowers on top, now that we have them, to put a little pea flower on top like that. How cute is that?